How to get terminated Roblox account back. So usually happens is if your account got terminated, you won't be able to log it back in. But most of the time, if your account has restrictions or got terminated, appeal button is always be visible. Just simply hit that and follow on-screen prompts for you to process an appeal why the account got terminated. But if that option is not visible on your end, what you want to do is to open up any working browser on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be running with Google Chrome. Now just simply type in Roblox support and then choose on the very first result that will redirect you to official Roblox support page. In here, under contact information, just type in your username, email address, confirm your email address. Under issue details, choose on the device where your last touch or where you last logged in into your Roblox account. And then under type of help category, just simply choose on account hack or can't log in. Now you could also try to changes this into appeal a decision if appeal option is not showing if once your account got terminated, and then on subcategory simply choose on necessary option here if it was moderated for behavior of any altered account or from your content or assets that you've created. And that's it. Just simply be professional on describing your issue so that you will also be addressed properly. And that is how you get terminated Roblox account back.